Did you know that nearly 25% of engine failures happen because of mistakes made by DIY mechanics? That's right. One small slip-up in your own garage can lead to thousands of dollars in repairs, or even a total engine replacement. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to make sure that never happens to you. Today, we're diving into the 10 most common mistakes DIY mechanics make and exactly how to avoid them. Stick around, because the tips coming up could save you a ton of money, a lot of stress, and maybe even your car itself. Mistake 1. Skipping the service manual. Many DIY mechanics jump into a repair thinking, how hard can it be? And ignore the service manual entirely. But every vehicle has specific procedures, torque settings, sequences, and fluid types that you won't know unless you read it. Missing these small but crucial details can cause serious problems later. For example, tightening bolts in the wrong order on an engine head can cause it to warp and fail. The manual also gives troubleshooting procedures that could save you hours of guessing. You might think you're saving time by skipping it, but you're actually risking costly mistakes. Plus, nowadays, most manuals are easily available online, or for cheap. It's about doing it safely and saving time. Trust me, that one small investment will save you so much frustration down the line. Mistake 2. Using the wrong tools. Trying to make it work with the wrong tool is one of the fastest ways to turn a small job into a nightmare. Maybe you don't have the right socket or puller, so you grab a pair of pliers or an adjustable wrench. Bad idea. This often results in rounded-off bolt heads, stripped threads, broken parts, and even injury. Specialty tools exist for a reason. They do the job cleanly and safely. Many auto parts stores even rent tools for free or a small deposit, so you don't always have to buy expensive ones. Using the right tool also makes the job quicker, because you're not fighting the parts. It's smarter, safer, and far less stressful. If you want DIY work to actually save you money, invest in or borrow the proper equipment. Mistake 3. Over-tightening or under-tightening bolts. Torque specifications are not just suggestions. They're critical. Over-tightening bolts can stretch threads, snap the bolt off inside the part, or crack delicate components like aluminum oil pans. Under-tightening bolts can cause leaks, vibrations, or even let parts fall off while driving. Many DIYers assume they can feel what's tight enough, but without a torque wrench, you're guessing. And that's risky. Each bolt on your car is engineered to a specific torque to handle stress, temperature, and vibration. Even wheels need to be torqued properly to prevent warped rotors or lug nut failure. Always use a quality torque wrench and look up the correct specs for your vehicle. It's a small step that prevents massive headaches. Mistake 4. Improper jacking and supporting. Here's a mistake that can literally be life-threatening. Using the wrong jack points or not properly supporting your car with jack stands. Floor jacks are not designed to hold up a car while you work under it. Always check your owner's manual for correct jack points, use quality jack stands, and double-check stability before getting underneath. A sudden slip can crush you in seconds. Saving a few minutes isn't worth risking your life. Set up safely every single time. Mistake 5. Not bleeding air properly. Not bleeding air properly from a system, especially in vehicles or hydraulic setups, can lead to serious problems. In a car's braking system, for example, if air remains trapped in the brake lines, it can cause a spongy brake pedal and significantly reduce braking efficiency, putting the driver and passengers at risk. In cooling systems, trapped air pockets can prevent proper coolant flow, leading to overheating and potential engine damage. Similarly, in hydraulic systems, air can cause erratic operation and reduced performance. Properly bleeding the system ensures that fluid flows smoothly and that the system operates safely and efficiently. Skipping or rushing this step can result in poor performance, system failure, or even dangerous situations. Mistake 6. Forgetting to disconnect the battery. Forgetting to disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle or electrical device is a common but serious mistake. The battery supplies constant power to the system, and if it remains connected during repairs or maintenance, it can cause accidental short circuits, sparks, or even electrical shocks. This not only puts the person working at risk of injury, but can also damage sensitive electronic components. In the case of vehicles, failing to disconnect the battery before tasks like replacing sensors, wiring, or even removing certain parts can trigger warning lights, drain the battery, or cause costly repairs. Always disconnecting the battery, usually starting with the negative terminal, is an important safety step to protect both yourself and the equipment. Mistake 7. Skipping basic cleanliness. A huge mistake that trips up a lot of DIY mechanics is skipping basic cleanliness during repairs. It might seem harmless to reinstall a part with a little dirt or grime still stuck to it, but trust me, it's not. Dirt can act like sandpaper inside mechanical parts, causing premature wear, leaks, and even complete failures. Plus, grime on sealing surfaces like gaskets can prevent a proper seal, leading to drips and costly do-overs. Always have brake cleaner, degreasers, rags, and wire brushes on hand when you're working. Taking a few extra minutes to clean every part before reassembly isn't just about making your job look professional. It's about making sure your repairs last. Mistake 8. Forgetting to prime or lubricate new parts. Many parts aren't ready to work right out of the box. They need priming or lubrication. For example, oil filters should be pre-filled with oil when possible. A new water pump gasket should be properly coated or torqued down evenly to prevent leaks. Installing dry fuel pumps or dry engines can cause metal-on-metal contact that ruins the part before it even gets a chance to work. Skipping priming steps can lead to immediate failures, turning your hard work into wasted time and money. Always read the instructions that come with new parts. They often include critical steps that shops automatically do, but DIYers might not know about. Take the extra few minutes to prep parts correctly before installation. Mistake 9. Mixing up fluids. Car fluids all look somewhat similar at a glance, and that's a dangerous trap. Accidentally putting power steering fluid in the brake system or engine oil in the transmission can destroy entire systems. Brake fluid in particular is incredibly corrosive, and mixing it with anything else can lead to complete brake failure. Transmission fluid has specific friction modifiers for clutches. The wrong kind can cause slippage or overheating. Always double-check the bottle and the reservoir label before pouring anything. If you're unsure, stop immediately and verify. Fixing a fluid mistake can cost thousands if you're not careful. That's all for this video. If you learned something today, smash that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Got any other mistakes you've learned the hard way? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.